Okay, here you can see the title. I've divided my page into two sections. This side is notes, this side is sketches. I've also used the title, the subtitle from the article, and I've put it here, and I've gone ahead and I have put a box around it so I know where these notes come from. Now the next thing says, write the most important information from the text in that section. Use bullet points and space between ideas and write in your own words. When you finish that section, draw a line under it and start the next section. You guys, the next section is this one. How atoms make your orange juice smell good and your socks smell bad. So on your notes, after you finish taking notes on that first section, you'll draw a line and then make another title using this title, okay? So for example, I'm looking at this article, and again, there's really nothing in that first paragraph for me that I could need to add. But here, I have this idea of what a scientific theory is. So I'm gonna add that to my notes, okay? I'll put a little bullet point, and I'll say a scientific theory, okay? And then I go ahead and I underline that because it's a vocabulary word, and then I put it here, evidence for an idea gathered over time. Next thing I'm going to put in my notes is that matter is made of atoms. Now here's the important thing, you skip a line, another bullet point, matter equals atoms. That's my shorthand for that, okay? I could write matter is made of atoms, I could write matter equals atoms, it's up to you. Then after you finish the rest of that section, you take notes on this, what's important, skipping lines, emphasizing important text. You can also use color if you want to, right? For scientific theory, it's totally up to you. Then you draw a line and start the next section. Now, if you want to take a break, then you draw a little sketch here. Maybe you draw a picture of a scientist coming up with a scientific theory, or draw some matter made of atoms. It's up to you. You add color to those sketches. Then you continue making notes and sketches. You can take all your notes, then do your sketches. It's totally up to you the way you want to do it. The template right here tells you what you should include. In case you don't know what notes it is, scroll down. Here, you should have a definition of a scientific theory, substance, chemical formulas, why substances have different properties, and then use your own ideas to illustrate. What should you get out of how atoms make your orange juice smell good and your socks smell bad? This part here. Okay, so the template will give you some good ideas on what you should include in your notes. The template is only one page. If you need to go to the next page, go ahead. So you're gonna use this pages 24 and 25 for your notes. Okay, that's it for the open and structured. Or I'm sorry, open and X.